It is no longer news that some people rather use this instead of MSG or any seasoning or at all. For your native food, especially for your soups, this is a game changer that you want to have in your kitchen, because I use it to cook my food, and honestly the flavor is out of this world. And you know what? A lot of people swear by this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this seafood powder that some people also call fish powder. So all you need is crayfish. Just get crayfish, bonga fish. I don't know what fish this bonga fish is, but at least bonga fish. You can easily get this in any market around you. And for those that are not in Nigeria, I think they sell it in African stores around you too. Now you need stockfish and dry catfish. Some people say they don't use catfish, they don't eat catfish, maybe they react to catfish. It is totally optional. You can replace the dry catfish with any other type of dry fish that you eat. And now you need atagigbe, called chili pepper in English. Up next, we need to wash our crayfish. Yes, I wash my crayfish before I use it, because you cannot be sure of what it has come in contact with. Sometimes some people see rat poo in crayfish, different type of dirt. So I salt and then rinse before I go ahead to dry in my air fryer. To just be sure that I'm not eating something that is unhealthy, even though I'm trying to add flavor to my food. I rinse the crayfish with hot water. And the same thing applies to the other part of all the other fish I'm going to be using in this video. I remember that I've sent someone to the market to buy crayfish for me, and she came back home with blended crayfish that they've blended with nylon. Yes, nylon. And since then I was like, nah, I'm never going to risk it. I'll buy my crayfish, clean it like this, and then dry and blend anytime I need to use it. And that same thing applies to the other fishes. And if you don't have air fryer, you can always air dry outside and or use your oven. But I prefer to use my air fryer because it is faster, and I'm using Mix air fryer. So now I'm just going to spread the crayfish on my air fryer tray like this, and then go ahead to dry in the air fryer. Guys, if you have watched this video to this point, that means this video is helpful one way or the other. Why not subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and also drop a comment for me. Don't forget to like and also share. Tell one or two people about my channel so they can also subscribe and also be part of this beautiful growing community. And I want to say thank you to every 40,000 of you guys that subscribe to my channel. I do not take it for granted. Thank you guys. So guys, now the crayfish is dry. Honestly, the aroma from this crayfish, oh my god, you know when you roast crayfish now, it's going to smell so good. Honestly, my kitchen was smelling really good, like oh my god. That day it was just like, let me just make soup. Anyways, I transferred the crayfish into my blender. I added the stockfish and also dry catfish to blend. I'm going to be blending this with my blender. Please use a strong blender. I'm using Mix blender, but if you don't have a strong blender, maybe you should find alternatives to this to blend this, because I want to assure you that your blender will not feel it. Your blender will feel it. So guys, please, you know you are not adding water to it, so it will be a struggle if your blender is not strong enough to blend this. So get a good blender, or you get alternative, because I don't want someone to say, I tried your recipe and you made me spoil my blender. I beg go. Anyways guys, now I'm going to go ahead to blend this. And did I mention that I was sending this to my friend in the UK? Yes, I've always sent her this fish powder anytime I have the opportunity to send her something in the UK. And that's one of my ways of saying thank you for everything she has done for me. Thank you for being a good friend to me and all. So anytime she's in the UK, I'm always like, oh girl, let me just, or anytime I know anybody is going to the UK from our family, they are going to visit her, I'm like, let me just send you something. Anyways guys, see, the fish powder is ready and it looks so good. And did I tell you that I sold some to some people? Because some people saw it on Instagram and I sold, and the comments, the feedback has been very, very amazing. You can store this in your fridge and it will last months. My friend said she kept the last one I sent to her for 1 year, like 1 whole year. So you can see now I've packaged everything, and that is just it. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.